Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi. Today in this video, I'll talk about how you can treat vitiligo or white patches that appears on skin. If you don't know what vitiligo is, then let us understand a bit more about vitiligo, which is in medical term is known as leukoderma. It is a skin condition or disorder that result in white discoloration skin patches. This starts from a small patch and then spread to whole body. In this condition, you will observe white patches on your skin, and this can happen anywhere on face, arms, elbow, legs, etc. Why do we call this condition a disorder? It's because of the developmental process of this condition. Vitiligo is an autoimmune condition in which the defense mechanism of your body start attacking melanin producing cells, which are melanocytes, and melanocytes are responsible for producing melanin. Melanin is a pigment that gives skin its color. When melanocytes die, there gets shortage of melanin in our body. Thus our skin loses its color, which appears as white patches. Why our body behave this way? That it starts to attack its own cell, which is difficult to identify because it may or may not have more than just one trigger. Triggers can be your lifestyle, your dietary habits, weather responses and some allergens too. These triggers make your immune system weak and make it behave mistakenly. There are other reasons as well, like UV rays. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet radiation can also be a reason behind uneven skin tone. Overuse of cosmetic can also lead to irregular skin tone, white patches, as they contain harmful chemicals and can cause irritation or itching. Now, as we have understood that the reason of this condition lies deep inside the body, that is why the medicines and the treatment you take should work on the root cause of the condition. But I have observed people go towards immune suppressants and steroidal medicine to treat vitiligo because these are just meant to suppress the immune system, which makes our immunity more weaker, resulting in spreading white patches. Additionally, continued use of these can make your skin sensitive, which again attacks the risk of developing other skin disorders. Now the question is, what you should do? Vitiligo is usually occur before the age of 20. A person is likely to experience this very rarely post their 20s. You will only experience the post age 20 if you have thyroid, diabetes, stress or chemical imbalances or any other medical history. Otherwise, it occurs during childhood before attaining the age of 20. You need to identify whether you are suffering from vitiligo or not. You should be aware and should not ignore these white patches. If you notice this during childhood, you must go for a checkup and consult your doctor. If your first degree family or relatives have this condition, then this might be present in your genes. You can prevent this condition before developing. Avoid using too much chemical products on your skin. Avoid too much sun exposure and protect yourself from the UV rays. Do not use harmful chemical products too much. Prefer food items with high vitamin A content in your diet. Vitamin A will enrich your melanin production. It will produce the required amount of melanin in your body. Thus, your melanocytes will work properly. To know any information about the white patch, leukoderma or vitiligo, consult our doctors. Our doctors will provide you free consultancy. They will tell you about the prevention steps. We will provide creams, ointments and medicines to enhance the immunity in our treatment. Since this is an autoimmune disorder, we'll give medicines that will enhance your immunity. And improved immunity will help your melanocytes to function correctly. And your body will stop attacking itself. Get more information and free consultancy from our doctors. Be aware on how you can control and treat your vitiligo, white patch or leukoderma quickly. It spreads rapidly in your entire body, so stopping it in its initial stage is better. Our medicines, diet and guidance will help you treat your leukoderma and vitiligo. So now you don't have to be socially embarrassed. Since this is a skin disorder, you'll feel socially embarrassed. You feel weird going out. You cannot wear good clothes or hesitant to expose your body, so do not panic. We will free you from leukoderma socially, biologically and internally. Take free consultancy on the number given below and get rid of leukoderma. Thank you and stay beautiful.